Good day. I am RONA ESPERANCILLA, your project leader.
My name is JADE, the leader of this capstone project.
Good day everyone, my name is EMAN Bartolome, and I am the programmer of the group.
And I am Ritchelle Costan, a project documentor, and we are at group number 26. To this video, we are having a demo presentations of our capstone project entitled One RONA Cooperative System, located in Cadiz City, Negros Occidental. A one RONA is a quantity money agreed with an individual or organizations with an agreement that will be paid off over a given durations with interest, which serves as payment for borrowing the money. The manual process of gaining loans are inconvenient. The system objectives. This project aims to develop an automated cooperative system for one RONA with the following functions. First, quick and easy access in searching the delinquent borrower. This study aims to design and develop a system to notify for cooperative system that will allow the management to view borrower accounts, rate of loans and loans types, automatically send their loan status of payment of the borrowers, evaluate the loan using the system standard. Next is the conceptual framework. Conceptual framework is an analytical tool with several variations and contexts of this system. The borrower needs the approval of bookkeeper for the applications in getting loan. The bookkeeper is the one who will take in charge for the whole process of loan management. The assistant assists the bookkeeper in maintaining the borrower's record and encodes daily reports. The bookkeeper will notify the borrower through records. As we can see, we have a table for a conceptual framework. We have an input. We have a bookkeeper, assistant. Next, we have a process. Inside the process, we have approved and released borrowers applied loan, loan applications, client inventory, manage borrower, security features, borrower's report, and coded daily report. Next, an output. Inside the output, we have the one RONA cooperative system and loan cooperative system. And lastly, we have the outcome. Inside the outcome, we have to secure the members' informations and keeping the record. Of the study. System scope. This study focuses on the loans and the cash flow of each member by having the system that will monitor the daily, weekly, and monthly fees of the applicants. It will also determine applicants who are delinquent to pay their accounts to the loan that they applied with, and it can provide individual inventory. Every time the borrower pays their loan, and it is a one-stop shop process that the admin can send to borrower about their payments. And lastly, we have the system limitations. System limitations. Our system cannot provide the financial statement or the accounting report, and the borrower can ask for printed receipt of their accounts. And lastly, we have the admin or the assistant can send the borrower.
To the dashboard. First, if you are the admin, you should log in your account using your username. And the username is admin and the password is admin. Next, here you can see the dashboard that consists the summary of loan types. You can see the total release loan and the total outstanding balance, so approved accounts and the pending accounts. Thank you.
I continue to discuss about first, click the apply loan and go to the application date. Example 2022 June 6. Next, go to the personal information, the name of the client. For example, Mary Joy. Castillo Dominguez. Next, the date of birth of the client. Example 2022 November 8. And the civil status is married. The gender, female. The mobile number, example 99999. The telephone number, same. For example, 999. The email address, Mary Aguilar, Dominguez. Dependent one, home address, Brook Laurel, Silingan, Bacolod City. Next, saved process. Employment business information. The first client nung apply sa amon nga lending. For example, the name of the client, Giselle K. Ban. The position is, for example, manager. Employment status, regular. Year of employment, 2 years. Telephone number, 999. Monthly income, for example, 50,000. 50,000. Next, the office address, Bacolod City. Bacolod City. Next, save the process. The reference. There are the two co-makers. First, the name of the co-maker, Elizabeth S. Suito, the last name. The contact number is, for example, and 555460. The address, we put Bacolod City. Next reference. The name of the homemaker too. We put Marjorie. Sorry. El Babor. The contact 09 12345689. The address, Bacolod City. Next. No. Loan information. Go to the select and dummy account 1. We used the valid ID is UMID. The ID number is 12345. Next, the date issued. Okay. For example, 2022 0126. No, 1. Place issued Bacolod. And the profile of the comiker 1, we upload the picture of the comiker 1. Next is the loan amount of the client. We put, for example, 100K. Terms 12 months. Monthly interest is 2. Processing fee is 1. And the insurance is 1. For example, amortization. The date he or she started. Loan type. Business loan. Business loan. Okay. And the DTI, for example, 56789. The business permit or the mayor's permit, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the type of interest, we put diminishing. Okay. Thank you. Done.
After the process of loan application, you can see the account of the client, loan type, data applied, and the current balance, the status. Next, we want to see the report, pending denied, approve the release application, loan types reports, and users. Lastly, there is Authenticator that you can see the QR code using Google Authenticator app and enter the code below.
In client side, we will sign in using the name Maria Labada and the password is password. Then you can see the dashboard there that includes the total release loan, total outstanding balance, approved accounts, and pending accounts. Let's proceed to the client side. The client name here is Maria Labada Ogtasta. So let's click her account's profile. As you can see, it has a client information. You can click there, then you can see the information being listed. Also, it includes the employment information, business information, and reference and co-maker loan information. Then, let's go to the ledger. You can see the details. and you can print if you want. Lastly, let's go to the account of the client for her payment. So you can see the due date and the days of due, monthly due, partial payment, and penalty.